Sigue así, amor mío, sigue así. Llega todo alrededor, tus sueños viven en mi cuerpo. Vida aquí, nada es justo, vida aquí. Te regalo el resplandor, amanece en el desierto. Quiero ir detrás tuyo, quiero ir. Comenzar la humanidad de otro planeta y universo. Corazón de paz, alma de lava, saliva de pan, colombiano sin ancestros. Sigue así, amor mío, sigue así. Riega todo alrededor, tus sueños viven en mi cuerpo. Vida aquí, nada es justo, vida aquí. Te regalo el resplandor, amanece en el desierto. Quiero ir detrás tuyo, quiero ir. Comenzar la humanidad de otro planeta y universo. Corazón de paz, alma de lava, saliva de pan, colombiano sin
The Romans put this plant in the cemeteries
Architecture.
because it's a plant you can eat in salad. No? It's a wild plant, and they put it in the cemeteries for the spirits. No? When you die, so it's like then you have food
in
for
other life.
the other life, you know. And the dogs, the
Anubis.
Anubis, they are the gatekeepers of the other life, the other world. It's all about the
You can see in the water, it's hidden in the water. Your symbols and your geometry doesn't always have to be blatantly obvious. It can be hidden. Like you look at the old master paintings, they weren't so blatant about stuff. It was kind of, I quite like it when it's kind of half hidden. And it's just hinted at. And you're like, oh, there's some magical geometry in there. That's why it's buzzing me out. So here the flower of life is hidden in the water, and then it unfolds to Metatron's cube. Within that,
Here, another color here to have your color palette. And then when you feel that the mix is liquid enough and it's fluid and it's completely mixed with the medium, it's really important to have good mixed colors. We start to applying on our canvas. But for example, to make this sample, I need to demonstrate on one of those works. So I wanted to start with Wova's work.
But that's pretty drastic at this point. We would have to be very ruthless and rub this out. Do you want to go for it? I don't know. Or we could just work with what you have, and we could keep going with that. But for future reference, I would have these legs.
You can paint it is strong. I will work in the hole.
Yeah. You see how these legs go up here? Then these legs also will come down here, like this. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, you get it. Okay, so what do you want to do at this point? Because this is a drastic change. Should we be really ruthless and rub this out and enjoy it again? Or do you just want to keep going with this?
Accurate now, I will
Keep
just
going
leave
with
it
this.
because it's too much work.
It is too much work, I agree.
But at home I can
At home
do it. And
you can redo it again and you get the kind of like the yin yang. Okay, so yeah, this is a really good example of what I was talking about the dark on light and light on dark, because these you've got the dark figures on the light background and on this side.
And I wanted to demonstrate you how it can work. Вова, можно я с твоей работы немножечко? So my paint is ready, and we can start to basically just Vova, you want cold colors? Or it's okay for you when you have one side is cold, another warm? Yes? Okay, so let's start to cover bit by bit our painting. Oh my god, it seems like I destroyed everything.
Amazing. Wow.
absolutely not.
Okay, you have to apply your colors. When you apply the first color and you make shift to another color, like I did here, I have two colors here. Then I take third color and I go like this, like rainbow.
I need a stapler.
Un color, mama. I need a color.
And we cover our painting.
Black.
So it's better if we have a painting.
It's better, but if you don't have a painting, please just start to cover your canvas. Okay. And when Vova, you can apply blue color here, but don't mix it. So much. Okay, all together. Just put blue here, here, and here, and then you need. Okay, guys, when you do this, when you're applying your
techniques like UV or digital, and also techniques that allow us to bring forth the visions. So each teacher is unique, but if a teacher is, say, moving paint around on the surface of the canvas and finding images within the surface of the canvas, or another teacher is deep into Vipassana meditation. We have at least two of them, Olga Klamova and
You're so strong, you just need very little. It's called golden liquids, and it's very nice.
What kind of paint is it?
Acrylic. But yeah, like more. Maybe someone having some smaller brushes.
It's looking like the inside of
Maybe more
today is Visionary. He belonged to the Vienna School of Fantastic Realism, and his other co-founders of that school, like Arik Brouwer, are still alive, but Rudolf Hausner has passed away. There were 5 of them.
Down here, and so then you would have like the yin yang vibe going on. Exactly, you'd have a balance.